Good morning, students. Today's topic of discussion is registration of partnership firms. Very interesting topic. So, what is the meaning of registration of firm? It means entering the name of the firm in the register of registrar of the firm. After getting the name of the firm in the register of the registrar issues a certificate. That certificate is called as certificate of incorporation, certificate of registration. Certificate of registration is the conclusive proof of the existence of the firm. Although registration of the firm is not mandatory according to Indian Partnership Act, but if a firm is not registered, a number of drawbacks can be faced by a partnership firm. So students, before going further, I am going to discuss with you consequences of non-registration. What problems can be faced if a firm is not registered? So, see the first consequence of non-registration. A partner of unregistered firm cannot file case against firm or any past or present partner. A partner of an unregistered firm, in case of any fraud, cannot file case against the firm in which he is partner, as well as he cannot file case against any of the partner who is presently working in the firm or who was working in the firm earlier. So, a partner cannot file case against any one in case of non-registration of the firm. See the second consequence. An unregistered firm cannot file case against any third party. An unregistered firm cannot file case against any third party in case of fraud. And the third party can file case against that very unregistered firm. This is clear? Unregistered firm cannot file case against third party, but third party can file case against unregistered firm. Next consequence, partners of an unregistered firm cannot file case against each other. Suppose three partners are working in a firm and one partner has done fraud to other partners. Then those two partners cannot file case against that fraudulent partner in case the firm is unregistered firm. So this is the third consequence. Next is an unregistered firm cannot file case against the partners. An unregistered firm also cannot file case against its partner if any of the partner is fraudulent. So students, these are the consequences which we can face in case of non-registration. So it is better to get the registration of the firm. Now I will discuss with you what is the procedure of registration of partnership firm. Very simple procedure it is. Firstly, submission of application in the prescribed form. First of all, a application in the prescribed form is to be submitted to the registrar of the firm. And what will be the contents of the application? Name of the firm. In the application form, name of the firm will be written as well as location of the firm. Name of other places where the firm has business as well as name of such places are to be written where the firm is having business. Date on which various partners join the firm. In the application form, such dates are to be mentioned on which different partners joins the firm. Name and permanent address of the partners. After that, name of the partners as well as their permanent address is to be written. Then, if there is any specified duration of the partnership, like this is the case of suppose particular partnership, then duration of partnership is also to be mentioned in the application form. So these are the contents of the application. Now the second step is After receiving the application in the prescribed form, registrar starts investigation of all the contents mentioned in the application. Now registrar will do investigation and verify all the contents mentioned in the application form, and if the registrar is satisfied with all the contents, he will write down the name of the firm in his register of partnership firms. And in the third step, he will issue the certificate of registration to the firm. This certificate of registration is a conclusive proof of the existence of the firm. Yes, here the procedure of registration is over. And students, registration of the firm will be done with the registrar of the state in which the firm is located. As well as registration should be done when the firm is formed or at any time when the firm is going on. So in this way, registration can be done, and it is very simple procedure, and you will get a number of benefits after getting registration of the firm. Thank you, students.